Okay, I'm excited to share this with you guys. This is my calendar that I've been designing for the last few months. I've been planning to publish a calendar for, 7 or 8 years now. But I haven't had time because of kids. And so I finally got to taking my calligraphy and some of my pattern designs and creating a wall calendar. Which features the dates and calligraphy. So you have not just the date at the top and the year, but also the dates themselves are in handwritten calligraphy, scanned into the computer and then colored in the computer to make it nice and beautiful. This is the letter size one. And some of these feature a real busy pattern. Some of them are more fun and playful with designs that include patterns and graphics. Some watercolor pieces as well. Playing with the fall theme in September, October, November, and December. And this one features blank pages on the back, so you can write notes if you need to. I know some people like to use their calendars for that. And this is the 11 by 16 and a half. And it has a little hook for hanging it up. They both do at the tippy top. So on the cover page. And this one actually flips so that the pages are front to back printed, which saves a lot of paper, is a little more environmentally friendly. And you've got all of the same months, just the format is a little bit larger, and you've got a little bit more space for writing information like appointments and things in your calendar. If you have a larger kitchen or a larger space where you like to have a calendar, then this takes up a nice large space. And you can also see the calligraphy is much bigger on this scale, so it pops out beautifully on this paper. This is a very smooth surface, so for writing this will be really nice. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, not too much unless you're directly shining. I have a spotlight that's shining here, so that's a real hot spot, but really this is quite nice in terms of not too shiny if it's on the wall. So there you are. I'm excited. Yay. Hope you love it too.